Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is the most populous urban agglomeration in the Indian state of Jharkhand. It is the first planned industrial city of India. It is located on the Chota Nagpur plateau and is surrounded by the picturesque Dalma Hills. The city is bordered by the rivers Subarnarekha and Kharkai on the north and west parts of the city. Small hill ranges are near the city like Ukam Hill and the Jadugoda Masabani Hill Range. The city is also part of the largest Chota Nagpur Plateau region. The region is formed of the sedimentary, metamorphic and igneous rocks belonging to the Dwarian period. Jamshedpur is located at the confluence of Kharkai and Subarnarekha rivers. The temperature variation during summer is from 35 to 49 degrees Celsius, 95 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The minimum temperature during winters is 1 degree Celsius, 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 1. Dalma Hills. At an altitude of 3,000 feet above sea level and just 13 km from Jamshedpur, Dalma Hills is one of the most frequented tourist destinations in the land. The views from the hills are spectacular. The dense forest wildlife sanctuary and Lord Shiva temple attracts tourists in great numbers. The serenity of the hills make it perfect place for unwinding. Adventure seekers are not disappointed as well, since there is scope for trekking and mount climbing. The more adventurous mind do not allow themselves to be tied down by its stunning beauty. Number 2. Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary. To spot some of the rare species and endangered animals, you need to be at Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary. Some of the wild animals found here include elephants, tigers, leopards, sloth bears, gores, cheetal, barking deer. Elephants are star attraction here as they migrate in great numbers to this sanctuary from various places during summer. The sanctuary is also home to a wide range of flora. Trekkers love the sanctuary as the steep slopes are challenging. Number 3. Jubilee Lake. Jubilee Lake is situated inside Jubilee Park. It covers an area of 40 acres. The zoo surrounding the lake offers visitors a sight of a wide range of birds and animals. Boat riding facility is available here. Number 4. Dimna Lake. Dimna Lake is located in a picturesque setting at foot of the famous Dalma Hills and near Dalma Wildlife Sanctuary. The lake was constructed by Tata Steel as a water reservoir to serve the needs of its industry as well as the city. The lake looks stunning with the shadow of the majestic hills and the dense trees around. An ideal place for a morning walk, and you may be inspired by those who perform various yoga poses here under the shadows of the trees. Sunrise and sunset views are amazing. Number 6. Bhatia Park. Bhatia Park is situated on the bank of river Subarnarekha. The colorful flower beds and the rich lawns make the place serene. It is a nice place to spend a relaxed couple of hours amidst lush greenery. The play area in the park keeps the children engaged while elders unwind to enjoy fresh air. Number 7. Bhuvneshwari Temple. Located at an altitude of 500 feet above sea level, Bhuvneshwari Temple attracts everyone regardless of the faith one believes in. Constructed on top of the hill closer to Tatanagar railway station, the views of the industrial city, villages around and the lush greenery are spectacular. Number 8. Parsi Fire Temple. Parsi Fire Temple is situated inside the Jubilee Park. This is a holy place of worship for Parsis as the holy fire is burnt here. The holy fire has an interesting past. The fire has been burning since 1790 in Kursetji, Monakji, Shroff Aigari in Mumbai. When the circumstances were tough for the trustee in Aigari to maintain the fire, Jamshedpur Parsis were approached to help maintain the fire. This resulted in the setting up of Aigari in Jamshedpur. Number 9. Sakshi Gurudwara. Sakshi Gurudwara is a place of worship for Sikhs. Viewing the pure white structure makes the mind relaxed. The growing population of Sikhs in Jamshedpur visits the Gurudwara to offer worship. The beautiful construction not only invites Sikhs but attracts all visitors. Number 10. Sakshi Masjid. Sakshi Masjid is situated at the city's center. This is a place of worship of those who follow Islam. It is also visited by tourists. The architectural structure shares resemblance with most of the masjids in India. Number 11. St. Mary's Church. St. Mary's Church is the oldest church in Jamshedpur. The structure of the church is simple yet highly appealing. The interior of the church displays excellent craftsmanship.